sale 1959 Ford F500 fire truck. I'm going to walk around it, tell you about the truck, fire it up, and then drive it. If you do enjoy the video, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you. Like I said, 59 F500 fire truck, finished in red, of course. Just over 14,000 believed to be original miles, and it definitely shows. Loaded with original equipment for the truck, which you'll see as I go around it. The horn works, sirens work, all the lights work, which is super cool. And of course, go around it. You'll see the whole truck. We'll fire it up, drive it, and yeah. Of course, starting here on the front, you see the bumper. It looks like it was painted like a aluminum color at some point in time. Just shows a little wear on it, probably from just the age of the paint on that. Front end looks good. It actually all lines up very nicely. Hood lines up nice. You see like little bits of patina in some spots on it. Again, being mostly original, or at least to be all original. You see like some blemishes there, a little crack on the paint. Hood fits nicely though to the top of the fender, as well as up there. There's your siren. Your F500 badges, which are on both sides. There you go. Again, nice fitment there, and again, nice fitment there. You see some other, little blemishes on top of the car, but let me go ahead. I want to pop the hood and show you. Oh my gosh, is it heavy? I gotta put my phone down. Okay. I just wanted to show you the hood does stay open by itself, but for just in case the wind comes, I am going to stick something here just to ensure that it stays up. Just like a little safety precaution. I just noticed something in here, which is kind of cool. Like the factory tag, like a buck tag for a Mustang almost. That's super cool. That's very special. That's what the car. It looks to be the original, of course, 292Y block. Distributor in the back with the exhaust manifolds and the exhaust pipe that meets in the front, giving me the idea that it is the 292Y block. Holley carburetor. Got the factory air cleaner on it with the sticker in place. All original. Here you see some little stampings there. Right there, that's what I'm talking about. Dual batteries. Of course, shows patina for being totally original. Clutch. It's power brakes. Guys, saw the booster underneath the car, which is newer, which is good to see, of course. Yeah. All right. Keep going down the side of the car. Giant tires on them, with the big wheels, the big hubs, all that good stuff that you like. See some other little blemishes, little patina here and there throughout the car. Let me go down here. It says Darley, Chicago on there. I don't know for sure, but that's original now. I don't know if the Brady Lake is something different. I'm not sure. But there's all the equipment for the car. I was told that like the pumps work, hoses work, stuff like that, which is super cool. What is this? Okay, get that off. Cab corners. Very nice. Very, very nice. Let me go ahead and pop the door open here. Something you always worry about on trucks is, under the doors or door corners. This metal here is super nice. And underneath it, other than a little bit of dirt, is super, super nice. No rust. The only little bit of bubbling that I see on the door is just in the corner here. Probably a common thing for that. Looks good. There's your original bench seat in the car. Shows little bits of wear, but still really nice. Probably the original floor mat as well. And I'd like to point out condition in some of this areas here. Let's hop in the dash, or hop in there, show you the dash. 14781 on the odometer. Like I said, horn works. The dash is actually very, very presentable. Looks super cool. In the glove box, 4-speed, in the glove box are some miscellaneous knickknacks that I didn't bother taking out. but this tag is in place. That's super cool to see in the truck still. I took a picture of that. That will be on the ad. Got some things marked off here so you know what's what. Windshield, really nice. All the glass is excellent, except this window is cracked. It's even got the original visors for the lights on top. You know, you turn them with the lights on. But let me hop back out for a second. Show you the headliner, which is mint original. I know it's just cardboard, but that's very nice. I know moisture gets in that would help disintegrate it over time, but that's a good sign there. Moving on down. Big beefy rear tires again with you know. And here's Darley again. So Darley's probably in charge of making certain things for this. Some old canisters here, super cool. E53. It's about 22 feet long. I measured the height just a little while ago. I forgot that it'll be in the ad, so you know. I noticed just here, right behind here, some bubbling there and a little bit there. That's probably common on something that's really original. It's got its original wood bed on top, so I'll get on this and show you that in a second. See, there we go. There's Darley again. They're definitely in charge of making specific things. But let me zoom out. Solid original bed here. See the hoses up there. You see the light on top. Probably the handlebar where the people are driving down the road. You hold on here. You hop off, grab the hose, start putting out the fires. Feel like a firefighter. Excuse me. A little cramp there. Here's your ladders. Your ladder. More canisters. There's Darley again. Darley. Yeah, they're definitely in charge of making equipment. So Brady Lake, probably the original, where it was on duty. Again, nice cab corner down there. See, really, really nice in there. And then the under door here is it's starting to close on me a little bit. Nice and rust-free. Will be up for sale later today on my website, nextgenclassiccars.com and eBay. Both links will be in the description of this video if you want to check it out. Let us know. 59 Ford F500 fire truck. Just over 14,000, believed to be original miles, which, as you know, as you go around, it definitely makes sense. It's finished in red, of course. We are getting to the point of the video. We're going to fire it up, drive it, and run the sirens, and then show it go up and down the road. Thank you.